Delicious candy bar coffee cake recipe. Hey there, foodies. Welcome back to Miss Coffee Baby, the ultimate destination for scrumptious recipes and delightful treats. Today, we have a mouthwatering candy bar coffee cake recipe that's going to blow your taste buds away. If you have a sweet tooth and love a good cup of coffee, this is the perfect treat for you. So, let's get started. Ingredients. 1½ cups all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. Half a teaspoon baking soda. Half a teaspoon salt. 1/2 cup unsalted butter, 1 stick, softened. 1 cup granulated sugar. 2 large eggs. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/2 cup sour cream. 1 cup chopped candy bars, your choice. 1/2 cup chopped nuts, optional. Powdered sugar for dusting. Instructions. Step 1. Preheat the oven. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9 by 9 inch baking dish. This will ensure your coffee cake doesn't stick to the pan. Step 2. Mix dry ingredients in a mixing bowl. Combine 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix them together and set this bowl aside. Step 3. Cream butter and sugar in a separate bowl. Cream together 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar until it's light and fluffy. Step 4. Add eggs and vanilla. Add 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to the butter and sugar mixture. Mix until well combined. Step 5. Alternate dry ingredients and sour cream. Gradually add the dry ingredients mixture and 1/2 cup of sour cream to the wet mixture, beginning and ending with the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. Step 6. Add chopped candy bars and nuts now. Fold in 1 cup of chopped candy bars of your choice and 1/2 cup of chopped nuts if you'd like an extra crunch. Step 7. Bake. Pour the batter into your prepared baking dish and spread it out evenly. Pop it in the preheated oven and bake for 30-35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Step 8. Cool and dust with powdered sugar. Once your coffee cake is out of the oven, let it cool for a bit. Then, dust the top with some powdered sugar for that extra sweetness. Step 9. Serve and enjoy now. All that's left to do is serve yourself a slice of this irresistible candy bar coffee cake, brew a fresh cup of coffee, and enjoy. Trust me, it's the perfect combination. This candy bar coffee cake is like heaven on a plate. So, give it a try and let us know how it turns out in the comments below. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to Miss Coffee Baby for more fantastic recipes like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy baking. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.